In this video, I'll guide you through how to register and create a Capital One online banking account. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a little help getting started, I'm here to make the process as simple and straightforward as possible. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the official Capital One website. You might want to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, let's select Set up Online Access. This will take you to the registration section of the site. Now, you'll need to enter some personal information. This is a crucial step because Capital One needs to verify your identity before giving you access to your online account. You'll be asked to provide details such as your last name, social security number or ITIN, and your date of birth. If you prefer or if prompted, you can also use your bank account number for verification. Make sure to double check the information you enter to avoid any hiccups in the process. Once your identity is verified, you'll be guided through the next steps to create your username and password. When choosing your username and password, keep them secure yet memorable. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Remember, your online security is important, so take a moment to think of a combination that's hard to guess but easy for you to remember. After you've set up your username and password, you're all set. You now have access to your Capital One online banking account. From here, you can log in anytime using the credentials you just created. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances from the comfort of your own home or on the go. And that's it. That's how to register and create a Capital One online banking account. With your new account set up, you can explore all the features and services Capital One offers online, from checking your balance to paying bills and more. Thanks for watching and happy banking.